our 2.5 liters. Included will be one urn to go along with the dispenser. Handle with the urn to carry along as you go. Coming to the top will be a tab that can be lifted. Once the tab is in position, it will act as a pump that will dispense your coffee. By pushing the button, the tab will be back in its position. By pushing these two buttons, the top cover can be lifted. By removing the center nozzle, and released by pushing the additional button in the back. You will have your regular urn that can be placed right beneath the dispenser. Coming on top will be the operation switch along with the light indicator, top flip cover, and filter underneath that can be used to pour in your hot water. Kettle can be removed and inserted back into the track. All these components can be removed and inserted back into the kettle. Coming to the back will be the 110-120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.